Ayan, dito kami sa Botanical Garden. So ito guys ang entrance fee dito sa Botanical Garden. Ayan. Ayan, dito tayo sa Botanical Garden. Alright. Ayan si Chopper. Diyan, diyan, diyan. So ayan dito guys, maliwanag pa, walang ganong mga ilaw-ilaw. Ayan. Ayan. Di ko alam kung may loot, may ano ko eh. Ali, bigyan mo lang na ano, cam na. Picture lang.
Nagpapasend yung mama ko eh.
Picture lang, tapos bigyan kita. A picture.
See? It moved.
Ay, kumagalo pa. Go, 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 go.
Yung isa mo na lang.
Traffic, pa traffic.
Hey, Rabbit. Want carrots?
Where's mommy? Oh, yung ano, nasira na yung mga ano, sunflower. Ay, bougainvillea. Bougainvillea ba yan? Sabi. Cactus.
Oh, bridge! Tita, let's go there! Tita!
Yung lalaki ng cactus. It's real cactus, guys. Yan o. Matinik siya. Ayan.
Diyan, pero tayo ka dyan, no, Dad. Okay, one.
Uwi na!
Ang ganda ng cactus dito, oh. So cute. O sa mga gustong ano, ayan, mag-alaga ng cactus, yan. Ito siya, oh. Maganda. Oh, so oh, nice, oh. It's like snake.
Let's go.
Ay, nice, oh. Doon sa may elephant. Oh, yan, the two legendary elephant, baby elephant. Andun yung mga mother. Mother Earth. Make a wish. Hmm? Oh, Madam Pinas, oh, nito yung mga ano mo, oh. Charot.
Gandaan mo naman ang
May tao doon, oh. Ano na to? Bag 10, Chinese garden. Chinese garden. Yeah. It's Chinese garden here. Doon na sa taas, hep hep hooray. Go to your zodiac sign, Simon, ate. Oh, after 2 years, we come back here to the Chinese garden. Mm. Oh, go to your ano, Simon, your ano, your zodiac sign. Dali, isa-isa, come on. Yung mga zodiac sign, first. Yan, Year of the Tiger. Ayan, oh. And Year of the Pig. Ayan, Madam Pinas. Anong taon ka? Charot. Year of the Pig. Dapat kinukulayan din nila to para ano, every year. Ayan, oh. Hindi napapaliguan yung mamoy. Year of the Dog. Ayan, 1946, 58, 1970. Ayan. Year of the Rooster. Ayan, oh. Ayan, Year of the Rooster. Dapat kinukulayan ulit tong mga ano na to, no? Year of the Monkey. Ayan. Mga Year of the Goat. Ayan, ito kayo. Year of the Horse. Horsey. Ayan na, shoutout sa inyong lahat. Sana ay swertihin kayo ngayong taon. Ang Year of the Snake. O, diba? Ang cute ng snake, oh. Ayan. Year of the Snake. People are deep, they say little and possess great wisdom. Wow. Year of the Snake. Ang Year of the Dragon. Ang cute, oh. Year of the Dragon. People born in the Year of the Dragon are healthy, energetic, excitable, and short-tempered. Ayan. 2. And of course, ano to? Hulaan nyo guys. This is Ox. Ayan. Ang Year of the Ox. People born in Year of the Ox are patient, speak little, and inspire confidence in others. They tend, however, to be eccentric and bigoted. Ay, wow. Yan. Year of the Ox. Last, Year of the Rat. Oh, see. Ang Year of the Rat, people born in the Year of the Rat are noted for their charm and attraction for the opposite sex. They work hard to achieve their goals, acquire possessions, and are likely to be perfectionists. Ay wow, ito yung ano. Ito yung ano ko, misis ko. Charot. Year of the Rat. Ayan guys. Bye guys. Ayan, it's Panda Bear. Ayan. Ito naman si Panda Bear. Sorry po. Ayan po. Sige po, yun po. Ayan. Chappy! Ah, dito oh, maganda dito oh. Dito. Here, here. Oh, walang ilaw dito. Walang tubig. Ito ang Thai Bike Park. Thai Bike Park.
Yan, yan. One.
Ano to? Kakahuyan. Ah, dyan, maganda dyan, oh. Panoramic view. Ayan. Ito yung kakahuyan, oh. Dalawa kayo maganda dyan. Hmm? Ayan, maganda, oh. Ako naman kali... Oh, dyan kayo sa bridge. Where's the frog?
The one's jumping there.
Ah, it's ano yan, yung butete. It's like butete. Ito may fish kanil dito, oh. Red. Ayun oh, Simon, oh. See? See? It's still up.
That one's so big. Look, that one's so big.
Ayun oh, may color, oh. Red. It's a koi fish.
Oh, there is fish.
Yeah, it's a koi fish.
That's what they eat.
Alright. Still we're here in Botanical Garden. Ayan, guys. Sa mga gustong pumunta rito, 100 pesos ang entrance. Pag below 12 years old, ang entrance ay 25. Ayan. 30 above is considered adult. Si mother. So guys, we are here in Japanese tunnel.
Daddy, another wish. Another wish.
Go na, Simon, go. Oh, excuse me.
I wish.
So here guys is the Japanese tunnel. This Japanese tunnel. Wow. Welcome to Japanese tunnel. It's so dark in here. Pucha. Oh, it's so nice.
So nice.
Yeah.
Solo ka na lang dyan.
Oh my god, it's so dark. Here, ano to? Wala to?
There's something there.
Where? You saw? No, nothing. Baka mag-ano dyan, 13th ghost. Ayan. So, ang mga Japanese talent ganito pala, ayan no, mayroon siyang ano doon sa loob. You know the 13th ghost is the same like this. No. Last time we didn't go there here.
Yeah.
It's through traffic. Oh, nice. How about the other side? The other side now? Picturean kita dyan sa loob sa'yo, man. Malambot yung ano niya. Yung lupa. Oh my God.
Bumabalik din sila.
Wala na doon? Kasi bumabalik sila eh. Saan na kayo? Where are you, Simon?
Nobody's coming here. But there's no light.
Hindi, meron pa exit dyan. Kaya po tayo guys sa kabilang ibayo naman. Ayan. So, Pusong Minero. We're entering, ano to? Pimsea Garden. Ayan, Pimsea Garden. Wow. Pimsea Garden. Ganda. Madilim na.
Ayoko na, madilim na.
Go, doon yung exit. Meron. Labas-labasan lang naman to.
No more? There's. I'm just waiting tired. Wala.
Takot na yata si ano. Ano? Napagod na yata si ano. Choppy roll. Dito. Okay, we're next to the other side. Oh, nice dyan, oh. Nice view here. Pine tree. Wow. Kapihan po to. Ay, dyan, maganda yung view dyan. Dyan ako maliwanag. Dapat may ilaw na to dapat eh. So yun guys, meron din dito mga souvenirs dito sa Botanical Garden. Ayan. May mga keychains, 100 pesos for 11 pieces. You want that, ate?
Can you also buy this?
Magnets.
But you came before, mommy.
And then, assorted chips. So yun guys, ngayon ay December 24. Wala na palang mga ilaw-ilaw dito. So, ayan. Palabas na kami. Kasi wala nang pasok yung mga staff. Ayan, madilim na siya. Okay, thank you Botanical Garden. Ayan guys, thank you so much sa mga gustong pumunta dito sa Botanical Garden. Ang entrance fee ay 100 sa adult, below 13 years old ay 25 pesos. Pero ngayon wala nang mga ilaw-ilaw. Ayan. Kasi wala nang mga staff na mag-ooperate. Nasa bakasyon na sila. So ngayon ay December 24. Yan, mamayang gabi ay na-trip na Merry Christmas to everyone and Happy New Year.